Hello everyone, in front of me is TCL TAB 10 generation D2, and let me show you how to check for software updates. So first of all, you have to open the settings, then find and select System and go to System Update. So as you can see, it detected that we do not have the latest version of our software, and now it will download the latest version and it will be installed, so you'll be able to use your device in this new version of your software. However, if your device is up to date, the information will also be displayed right here that there's no other version, like no newest version, but you do use the latest one. As you can see now, you can leave this page now. The update won't be affected, so go back and use your device in a normal way. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.